So, are all the humpbacks from Wales? They must be lovely singers.
Sorry, Mammy, what was that?
Wales? The little country full of all the rugby players and the lovely singers? They're saying that's where all the humpbacks come from.
Mammy, they're not saying that. They're definitely not saying that.
She has a point in fairness though, Tiny. The Welsh in general do tend to be smashing singers.
But that's irrelevant. It's got nothing to do with anything.
I think the people of the Welsh Valleys, and in particular the humpbacks, would disagree with you there, Tiny.
Tom Jones, he's from Wales too.
Now you're talking, Mammy. It's not unusual to be flooby-shooby-doo, ba-diddle-diddle-diddle.
Charlotte Church, I'm your man who sang The Snowman. I'm sitting over here.
Will you two stop it? They're talking about humpback whales. W-H-A-L-E-S. You're talking about Wales, the country. W-A-L-E-S. They're two completely different things. Ugh.
Well, sorry, Tiny. I didn't realise a single H could be so divisive.
Can we please go back to watching Critters TV and stop talking about singing humpbacks?
What about the Prince of Wales? Is he any good at singing, I don't know?
Although they spend a lot of time in deep waters, humpback whales are usually seen when breaching, leaping acrobatically out of the water in dazzling displays.
Yippee! I'm a humpback!
Hey! Come on, Fab. It's great fun. Will you not join us?
Ah, what the heck. If you can't beat them, join them. Woohoo!
Scientists aren't sure if this breaching behavior serves a specific purpose, such as cleaning pests from the whale's skin or for communication, or whether the whales simply do it for fun.
I like these guys. They know how to have fun and go with the flow.
Maybe I should stop resisting. Maybe I should just go with the flow. You're right, Gray. They do know how to have fun.
In fact, they look like they're having a whale of a time.
Good one, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
Ow.
Humpback whales are known for their melodic songs. It is thought that males sing these songs to attract females. Their songs are very complex and very beautiful.
I told you they were lovely singers.